All right, guys, so this is your sort of standard micro screwdriver. Nothing really special about it, at least at first glance. One thing that I did like about it over one of the other ones I've had in the past is it does have this latching sort of system. So you just pop that latch up, right, lift up, open up, no big deal, okay? But one of the cool things I like about it is that sometimes, you reach in here and these little bits are really hard to get to. Check this out. This is actually kind of cool. So all it did is it took all those bits and it put them vertical. So you just push this little button and now you have all those. So they're really easy to get those, especially when you're getting out some screwdrivers as tiny as this little bit right here. It's really tough to get. So another thing that I liked about it, and we'll just take this bit to show you a little bit about it. So I have one of these for my drill, but I don't have one for a micro screwdriver that I have. And I'm going to show you this while I'm holding this. Okay, is this, okay, this little extension, you can hold this, and while this other end is going, or while you're screwing it with your other end, you can use this, you can twist it around, you can bend it, all right, so you have a 90-degree, so you can actually still get this screwdriver in really small, hard to maneuver places. Put these all back where they came from. And you also do have those little sockets across the end of it. There are little diagrams here so you can see, well, you have this star bit here. It comes in the T2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 bits. It is mostly metric. You can see the metric system over here, but that is perfectly good because this allows us, especially if you're like me, most of what I use this for involves fixing microscopes in my lab or really getting really small computer pieces and components apart and back together again. And this works great for that. So if you're interested, you can always find the link in the description.